Hello children, how are you? A very good morning to you all who all are present here. So today we will continue our season's story lesson 1. So let's start our today's topic. Today we are going to sing a poem because today's our topic is poem about spring. Do you know about spring season? Actually, it is more pleasant and enjoyable. For example, we can see more beautiful, colorful flowers blooming. It's give more pleasure, isn't it? So, my dear children, let's welcome spring season. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. So, my dear children, all the animals, especially those are living in the cave, okay, or hole, these animals are coming out of their houses and enjoying spring season, okay. Even fowl means baby horse, okay, young horse, young donkey, and the fawn, that is young deer. These animals are enjoying more spring season by running here and there. Hatch from egg in the nest, the birds to join the fest. Observe the picture of your textbook, children. How beautiful scenery of spring season, isn't it? Hatch means give heat to the egg. So young one comes out. So birds and their young one join together to celebrate their festivals during spring season, because this season is very pleasurable, isn't it children? Fest means festival. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? Till now we talked about animals and birds, but now this is a turn for trees and flowers, leaves. So green leaves and colorful flowers, they are swinging because of breeze, because of cold windy air. So my dear children, this is the basic fundamental of spring, okay. Fundamental means basic rule, isn't it? Swing means shake. Because of air, flowers and leaves swing in the air. Spring means cold air blowing and flowers and leaves swinging in the air. So this is the fundamental nature of spring. Now we will move to next stanza. The bugs are back and little spiders in black, bears, rabbits and bees, near flowers, grass and trees. This is nice stanza, isn't it children? What does it mean children? Just like me they hum, that spring has come. So here hum means sound, okay. They are like whispering, speaking, like be how they are busy in their activities. In the same way, while they are busy, while they are doing their activities, they are making such sound, is known as hum. So here, my dear children, the poem says all the animals like bears, rabbits and bees, even bugs, okay, and the spider also, who is in black color, they all comes out from their houses and they are standing near grass, near flowers and near trees, and they are speaking, okay, each other, you can say, or they are making such sound. So what they are making, what they are speaking, they are speaking, they are saying, so now the spring has come, we can enjoy. So they are saying in their language, they in their animals have some language, like hum, how bee is making sound while he is doing his activities. In the same way, animals also making, okay, sound, okay, like hum. So what they are saying each other, spring has comes. Okay.
Some animals like rabbits and bears, they are not able to survive very cold temperature, so they are sleeping in their caves, in their houses, in their holes. Okay, so this is known as hibernation. Okay, survive means they are not able to live in this high temperature. So after winter they comes out from their houses and enjoy the nature of the forest.
Look at the cave, children. I hope you would have understood the poem very well, children. So you can sing the poem thrice, so it gives more fun with beautiful rhymes.
Animals in spring. Springtime. In the spring, the temperature gets warmer. The animals begin to wake up from their hibernation. Turtles, frogs, ladybugs, and bears are all animals that hibernate. Hibernation is when some animals sleep all winter long because they wouldn't be able to survive. Some animals wouldn't be able to find food in the winter because most plants have died or are hibernating too. Rains start to grow again. And the animals that were hibernating can eat again. Now they can get ready to raise their young. Birds build nests for their eggs using sticks, grass, leaves, fur, or mud. Rabbits make their nests in holes in the ground, called burrows. Some animals are returning home for the spring. Instead of hibernating during the winter, these animals migrate, which means they go to another part of the world that is warm until winter is over. Once winter is over, they return back home. Canada geese and butterflies are two creatures that migrate and return in the spring to have their babies. Spring is a time for new life. Many baby animals are born in the spring.